banyabo bonna abaza okusabira dadi waffe. Amannya gange ba kitabwe Mayanja, nze mutabani wa Hamphrey asookera ddala. Ne basookera ddala okwebaza buli omu atugenda okuva dadi waffe bwe yalwala paka ku ssaawa eno basize omukaaga okuzikumiriza. Dadi waffe atukozezza atugasse, atwagadde atusomesezza, akoze buli kimu kyagezezzaako ky'ataasobola. Abaana basya atanalwala naye nga dadi bakusaafu n'agamba eno okimanyi sikula nakona Tokyo kuva 2019. Ndowooza dadi lwaki n'agamba koza abantu kuyiba kitu nibazibira ennyimba mugende nga mulina embasi yammwe njagala mbalekere ebintu njagala mbakolere enkozi. I hustle because of you guys. Naye muli ngamba singa nsobola okufunayo omukisa okusembayo ne mugamba dadi thank you, God will love you so much. Naye kimanyi atuwulira era atulaba era dadi rest in peace. Shall always love you, Mr. Mayanja Hamphrey.
Everyone, thank you for coming today. My name is Mayanja. I am the firstborn child. I'm from Mayanja. These are my little sisters, Habibi, Jasmine, Audrey. This is my brother, Paul. Daddy loved all of us. Daddy made sure we never lack. Daddy always provided. Daddy was my best friend. He was my friend. There was nothing I couldn't tell my father. Even during the last moment, I remember vividly Sunday. Sunday, again I'm very excited, but Sunday and again they were coming mulava. Nangamba, go nyirira, labika bulungi. And we joked, and that was the last good memory I remember because Motwalilo was in so much pain. Ngatayagala kulya akoye, ngabagamba akoye, mundeke. Ngamba daddy, no, you have to fight, you have to fight. And he kept asking, but what for? I'm tired. I don't have much to say. Most of it has been said. But I would like to thank these friends because we are the first time Gakomeo, Uncle P Nangamba, Uncle Pius Nangamba, Kwano Tatao, Wasingo Bamanya. Creating a WhatsApp group so that you update them and they offer any help. Narina number, those are, I think I had like only 5 contacts. I created that group, but baby there were over 200 people that have been helping, they have been sending money, they have been sending things, food, they have really helped, and I'm so grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. We wouldn't have gone through this situation without you. And I would like to offer special thanks to Shamira Aliwo. Shamira said,